5 health risks of snoring. 1. Sleep apnea. Persistent snoring can indicate sleep apnea, a serious condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. 2. Cardiovascular issues. Snoring is linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke due to the strain on the cardiovascular system. 3. Daytime fatigue. Snorers often experience poor sleep quality, leading to excessive daytime sleepiness and decreased cognitive function. 4. Relationship strain. Loud snoring can disrupt partners' sleep, causing tension and affecting overall relationship well-being. 5. Inflammation and health risks. Chronic snoring can contribute to inflammation, potentially exacerbating respiratory conditions and increasing susceptibility to infections. Need to eliminate the snoring problem? Grab our anti-snoring pillow at snoreslayer.com today.